What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DOGECOIN.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, and I've told you that we completed all 5 wave structure to the upside from this bottom to this top, and I have to say that I nailed this bottom of 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is the price point of 12.5 cents, and from this range we caught this movement to the upside. And to the highest point it was roughly 36% of upside potential. And on the retracement we caught this range at roughly 15.4 cents, and it was about 23% of upside potential. So congratulations to all of you who took this trade and who made these profits. And I've told you right here that we should have a longer period of consolidation phase, and we cannot go higher from this range to break this previous swing high. And we had this bounce to the upside, then we had a rollover, and we went even lower. And my main assumption was that you should enter your position on the ranges of roughly 0.5, it is a 14.66 cents price point, and the golden pocket range, roughly 14 cents price point. And as you can see, we are hovering exactly at the range of golden pocket. Technically we broke it to the downside, and it is not the best sign, but for now we have this consolidation phase that has a lower volume than it had previously, and that has a very good structure, and I will show you what should we expect next in just several minutes. And for now let's continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. We are sitting at $1.81 trillion of total market cap. It is a 2.28% increase over the last day, and during the last 24 hours all of the major cryptocurrencies are in green. Bitcoin gained about 3%, Ethereum gained about 2.5%, and BNB gained about 1%. And on a 7 days period these assets are in red. And let's continue with the DOGECOIN numbers. For now it has a total market cap of $18.65 billion. It is a 1.78% increase over the last day, and the total tradable volume is $1.77 billion. That is lower than it was previously by about 60%. And I have to say that we have this consolidation phase with the lower volume. This means in foreseeable future we might see some kind of breakout of this asset, and I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect. So what was the reason of this massive spike, and why we had this movement to the downside, that from this top, from this swing high to this swing low, it lost almost 19%. So definitely it was the Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter, and I have to say that I covered it in my previous video, and I want to pay your attention that we don't have any tweets or any mentions from Elon Musk official Twitter page that he want to implement DOGECOIN into the Twitter payment methods. And because of this, because of the lack of information from the main source, from the main driver of DOGECOIN price, definitely we see this decrease in price. And on top of that, let me add the price of Bitcoin on this price chart. And as you can see, Bitcoin, let me change the color of this chart. Bitcoin also had this harsh sell-off, and in this case DOGECOIN completely mimics the price of Bitcoin, and for now it has a consolidation phase at these ranges. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if we will take a look on this retracement, and on my previous video I've told you that we have to have a longer period of consolidation. We might consider this movement as a 5-wave structure, and if it is the case, probably we might have from this top, this is our first wave, This is our second. This movement is the third one. We are in consolidation of the fourth wave, and this is the highest point. And if it is the case, we have to have one more leg to the downside. That might land, I don't know, somewhere probably at 12.53 cents price point. And this is one of my main counts. The second one, and I have to say that it is most likely that we have a second count as the primary, is right here. For those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you know that the retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag. And we have from this top, we have potentially, this is our A wave, this is our B wave, and this is our C wave. And if it is the case, we completed the retracement to this bottom. And if it is the case, we might have next leg to the upside that will hit higher targets. And right here, we have the consolidation phase in a shape of symmetrical triangle. And if I connect these tops and these bottoms, as you can see, we have a symmetrical triangle, and this triangle breaks either way. And definitely we don't know where will be the next movement to the upside or to the downside. That's why we have to be cautious, and that's why we have major key levels. First of all, we have each and every swing low as our support range, and if we will go lower and if we will have an increase in volume when we will break this support line, definitely we should break other levels of about 13.75 cents, 13.67 cents, and this swing low of 13.57 cents. And on the other hand, we have the same ranges of resistance. First of all, if we will break this range of resistance, this sloping line, with increasing volume, our next range of resistance will be at 14.35 cents, and next one at 14.54 cents. And depending on the next movement, we might project some targets. If we will go lower, definitely we might hit next range of support at the price point of roughly 12.5 cents. And if we are on bullish case, we might project the next targets. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave, and 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a bigger scale. And the lowest point for now is right here, and the third point we should place at this range. The next potential leg to the upside might land at following levels. First of all, it is a 0.786 Fibonacci extension range at the price point of 17.34 cents, and it is almost the confluence with this previous swing high. Next one is 1-to-1 extension, and it is the price point of 18.38 cents. And the most aggressive target is right here at 1.618 extension level at 21.38 cents. And it is the confluence with this range of resistance that was the previous swing high somewhere at the beginning of the year. And that is why this might be a very viable target for the medium-term perspective. But we have to take a closer look first of all on this price action. And for the short-term perspective, if we will have a breakout to the upside with the increase in volume, next short-term target will be 16.66 cents. It is the top of our B wave. And next one, it is 17 cents right here, the top of our swing high. And from our current range, we might have up to 19% to the first target, up to 22 to 23% to our second target, and it is the confluence with this one. Next one, 31%, and the most aggressive one is roughly 52%. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. We have to patiently wait the breakout of this structure. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the